Have you ever imagined what it would be like to spot the next trillion-dollar industry before everyone else? What if I told you the AI tools we use every single day, like ChatGPT, aren't just changing how we work, but are creating a stock market boom bigger than anything we've seen in years? Companies like NVIDIA and OpenAI are at the forefront of this revolution. And the big question is, are you watching what could be the single biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime? AI isn't just a tech buzzword anymore. It's a powerful force that's transforming everything from global finance and healthcare to entertainment and beyond. Behind this massive shift is a new generation of companies pushing innovation and their stock prices to incredible new heights. Today, we're diving into the story of how AI is rewriting the rules of the financial world. While artificial intelligence has been developing for decades, OpenAI's revolutionary language model took the world by storm. Suddenly, AI wasn't just for tech geeks anymore. It was a mainstream phenomenon that everyone was talking about and using. The impact on the business world was instant. They were boosting efficiency, automating tedious tasks, but what really made Wall Street snap to attention was the incredible speed of this adoption and the massive demand for the computing power needed to run these advanced AI tools. And that's where a company named NVIDIA enters the picture. NVIDIA, a company many people first knew for its gaming graphics cards, their powerful GPUs are the engines that run complex machine learning models like ChatGPT. In 2023 alone, NVIDIA's stock skyrocketed over 200%. This wasn't just another tech stock rally. NVIDIA's complete dominance in AI hardware has made it a must-have stock for any investor betting on the future of AI. The company's quarterly earnings reports have consistently shattered expectations. But here's the key thing to understand. NVIDIA isn't just selling computer chips. They are selling the very infrastructure of the future. Now, if NVIDIA is providing the power, then OpenAI is driving the software that's changing the world. This amazing technology that can create human-like text, stunning images, and even functional computer code. OpenAI's strategic partnership with Microsoft has only magnified its influence. Microsoft has been embedding OpenAI's models directly into its iconic Office suite and its Azure cloud platform, bringing AI to millions of businesses and individuals. This collaboration between OpenAI and Microsoft has created a powerful ripple effect. Businesses all over the globe are now adopting AI solutions at a dizzying speed. This, in turn, has fueled incredible growth in related sectors, from cloud computing to cybersecurity. And even though OpenAI is still a private company, its massive influence on publicly traded stocks like Microsoft and NVIDIA is impossible to ignore. But while NVIDIA and OpenAI are grabbing all the headlines, there are many other, lesser-known companies that are also riding this powerful wave, and they offer some really interesting opportunities for investors. Take a company like C3.ai, for example. They specialize in creating AI solutions for large enterprises. They've seen a huge surge in demand as businesses look to use AI for everything from deep data, analytics, and supply chain management to improving customer engagement. Then there's Palantir, a company that uses AI to analyze massive, complex datasets for governments and major corporations. Its stock has been on an incredible run. Even the traditional tech giants like Alphabet and Amazon are doubling down on their AI investments. Alphabet's Google has long been a leader in fundamental AI research, and Amazon's Azure cloud platform is one of the most critical enablers for running AI workloads at scale. Altogether, these companies, big and small, form a dynamic ecosystem that is supporting the explosive growth of artificial intelligence applications. This AI boom isn't just changing industries. Venture capital firms are pouring billions upon billions of dollars into new AI startups, pushing their valuations to record highs. Private equity funds are buying up AI-driven companies at a pace we haven't seen since the dot-com era. It's a modern-day gold rush. On Wall Street, AI stocks have become the hottest ticket in town. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, that focus on AI and robotics are attracting huge inflows of cash from investors. The Nasdaq index, which is heavily weighted with tech stocks, has significantly outperformed the broader market, largely thanks to this incredible AI rally. But the financial impact goes even further. Quantitative funds are now using sophisticated machine learning algorithms to analyze market data and execute trades with a speed and accuracy that's simply impossible for a human to match. Even for everyday retail investors, new AI-powered platforms are providing powerful stock analysis tools, helping to level the playing field in a market that has historically been dominated by large institutions. Of course, like with any major technological shift, the AI boom isn't without its risks. For one, the rapid and steep rise in AI stock prices has led some analysts to warn of a potential bubble. Valuations are incredibly high, and it's possible that this blistering pace of growth might not be sustainable in the short term. Investors need to be cautious, because the volatility in these AI stocks can be intense and could lead to significant losses if you're not careful. Governments all around the world are trying to figure out how to regulate artificial intelligence. Stricter regulations could potentially slow down the growth of AI companies. And finally, there's the fierce competition. While NVIDIA and OpenAI are the leaders right now, the field is evolving at lightning speed, disrupting the current leaders and completely reshaping the market dynamics. But despite all these challenges, the long-term outlook for AI stocks remains overwhelmingly positive. Artificial intelligence is not just a passing fad. It's a foundational technology that has the power to disrupt literally every single sector of our economy. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, the applications of AI are almost limitless. For investors, the key to success will be identifying companies that have a sustainable competitive advantage. NVIDIA's dominance in AI hardware, OpenAI's leadership in generative AI, and Microsoft's brilliant integration of AI into its existing products make them very compelling choices. But the truly exciting opportunities might just lie in the emerging players and the niche sectors that are just now poised for exponential growth. So, what's the big takeaway here? It's just a financial phenomenon that is reshaping markets and creating opportunities unlike any we've seen in a generation. Companies like NVIDIA and OpenAI are leading the charge, but the ripple effects are spreading far and wide across the entire economy. And to position yourself for the future that is rapidly unfolding before our eyes. Think about the stories of the early investors in Tesla. Now, ask yourself, is AI the next massive boom that you simply can't afford to miss? The answer to that question might just define the next decade of your financial journey. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our world.